Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com. Today we're in the 2018 Dodge Challenger and also the Dodge Charger. Uses the exact same interface here. So today what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade from the 7-inch UConnect 4 system here. We're going to upgrade it to the 8.4-inch. This is the UAQ option code. This is the one that has embedded navigation. This is the UAG option code. We're going to the UAQ. I want to show you guys how easy it is to do the upgrade. We carry all the parts you need here at Infotainment.com. Everything's pre-programmed to plug and play. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is shut the vehicle off. A lot of times we recommend to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Not required, but it's a good idea. We're going to want to remove this dash surround, the bezel. You just use a dash trim tool or a flathead screwdriver. It's just held in with retaining clips, but all you got to do is just get around the perimeter. Once you get one, kind of slowly just work your way around. Sometimes if you lower your steering column a little bit or pull it out, this gives you a little extra space. As I mentioned, it's just held in with retaining clips around the perimeter. There's no screws. Then what we're going to do is we're going to remove the 4 Phillips head screws that hold the radio in place. Then we're going to disconnect the connectors. This little part here, you just lift up on the tab, and then it just comes out. We can set this aside. Now, one thing I wanted to make a note of, this particular vehicle does not have Sirius satellite radio. We know that because it has either a turquoise or a blue antenna connection here. Basically what this is for, it's for the compass feature. So what we want to do is when you go to order the system from our website, you're going to want to get this little converter cable. What this will do is will retain the GPS signal, and it will give you the GPS signal here that you need for the UAQ navigation. Now, if you want to add satellite radio, you can certainly do so. You just buy an antenna kit from our website. If you see our advertisement for this upgrade, it'll give you your options regarding Sirius satellite radio. But in any case, what we're going to want to do now is plug this into the radio. Then we're going to plug the white. This is for the AM/FM antenna. Once those are plugged in, we can slide it into place. Now it will line up with the exact same holes. We can now remove this screen cover. Then all we need to do is reinstall our bezel. Into the exact same location. And we're gonna push it in so those retaining clips grab. And we're ready to go. All right, now that we have the dash all buttoned up and back in its place, let's turn it on and check it out. Now, it may prompt you for an anti-theft code. You're gonna actually enter in the 4-digit code that was supplied with the radio. Once you hit the anti-theft code, you may need to turn the vehicle off and let it sleep for a minute or two, and then turn it back on. When I mean sleep, it just means turn the vehicle off, open the doors, close them, let the vehicle sit for a couple minutes, come back in, start the car. what we're waiting for is the SXM icon to show up, the Sirius XM icon, and it takes a few reboot or sleep cycles sometimes before that shows up, and then all your features are now completely active. So in this particular case, we didn't have to sleep it, but a lot of you may have to, let it sleep. I just wanted to mention that real quick. But as you can see here, nice big display. Your audio controls are pre-programmed to work just like they did before. Your Bluetooth buttons, or your UConnect buttons rather, backup camera, 100%, compatible, so on and so forth. Sirius XM. Now, if you mentioned earlier in the video, we put that little cable in because the vehicle didn't have satellite radio. The last radio actually didn't have it, but there is an antenna on the roof, so we are able to grab satellite radio that way. As you can see, it looks pretty cool here compared to what you have now. The media button here allows you to access Bluetooth streaming audio, your aux, and your 2 USBs. Climate, your apps feature. Allows you to drag and drop icons down to the home row down here. But the big thing we're looking for here is the navigation. As you can see, navigation pulled up immediately, pinpointed our location. Real cool little upgrade here. You don't have anything up on your windshield that's tacky or, fumbling with your phone while you're driving. This is the factory Dodge navigation, all plug and play, pre-programmed by us, Infotainment.com. It has all the features that a nav system comes with nowadays. You could search the place you want to go to, the address, favorites, points of interest, you name it. You can also tell it where you want to go. The directions will come out of the speakers, which is really cool. You will have to repair your phone once you get this system installed, and then you have your settings menu. You could go into things like the display. You can set a different theme. There's a couple different themes you can choose from, whether you have a Demon, Hellcat, whatnot, or you want those to be visible on your screen, which is kind of cool. But obviously the big thing is the nav feature here, which is really cool. We do so much more than the Dodge Charger and Challenger. We do all of the FCA vehicles, the GMs, Fords, Toyotas. So come check us out, Infotainment.com. Thanks for watching, guys.